meet today here in Krakow at the final conference of 3D Central project because we want to show what we have achieved. We have met all together 6 partners from Germany, from Austria, from Italy, but also from Slovenia, Hungary and Poland. And what we managed to do is to bring together the innovative organizations from all these 6 countries in order to foster the development of new technologies.
Project 3D Central is about fostering the cooperation between European regions, and we focus on technologies, on 3D technologies like 3D designing, engineering, printing or virtual reality. And after 2 years we have very nice results which we can present here on the Impact Conference in Krakow.
I just wanted to say first off that the trip here and having the event being held in Krakow has been a really great opportunity, I think, for the project group. It's really a fine way to close 3D Central. Being able to see what you're doing at the Technology Park and what companies like Astor are doing is a great way to see the innovative spirit of Krakow, which I think is really reflected in the project group.
90% of the polymer materials we can print now. 90% of the materials that are available on market, and we can do that with 4 polymer printers. We have an HD scanner, we have printed its gripper, we have now sensor technologies, and 2 years ago when we had the kickoff meeting, I didn't have any idea what I'm talking about. And that's exactly what we learned during our 11 study visits, during the partnership meetings, which enabled us to do this now for our customers.